Looking for the perfect addition to your workspace? Look no further than the Maul 645-1884 magnetic whiteboard. With its sleek design and durable construction, this whiteboard is sure to become an essential tool for organizing your thoughts, ideas, and tasks. Measuring 900 mm in width and 600 mm in height, the Maul 645-1884 provides ample space for brainstorming sessions, project planning, or simply jotting down reminders. Its magnetic surface allows you to easily attach notes, memos, or important documents, keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. Crafted with high-quality aluminum and featuring a stylish gray color, this whiteboard not only looks great but is also built to last. The wall-mounting design ensures stability and allows you to place it wherever it's most convenient for you. Whether you're a teacher, student, entrepreneur, or professional, the Maul 645-1884 magnetic whiteboard is the perfect tool to help you stay organized, focused, and productive. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and disorganized thoughts. With this whiteboard, you'll have everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.